Hi friends, let's create this little glitch transition by using the camera shake. Okay, to make it easy, I have here two images on the timeline, and for this transition I go between them, go into the effects, and in the video transitions I'm going to search for the camera shake, grab it, drop it between the clips. But I want the shake strength a little bit lower, so I'm going around 0.1. And then I play a little bit with the length of it until I have something that I feel is right. Okay, then we want to go to the motion blur. Don't think that motion blur does a lot here, but I do it anyway. I go up with the quality all the way. The shutter angle will not do anything, in my opinion. We can see here if it does anything. I don't believe so. So I keep it at what it is. And then I'm going with the contrast. So here at the peak, I'm going a little bit higher with the contrast. Yeah, I'm going a little tiny bit, just a tiny bit. Then I also pump up the brightness a bit, and I'm going with the saturation. I want to have it saturated just that bit more, and then I want to see how it's a nice glitchy transition. So you of course can experiment with the settings. They also can be keyframed. I hope you like it. Have fun with the rest of the playlist, and goodbye.